Located behind us, we have the casting machine at Guca here. We are doing a tour of their factory. This is unique because not a lot of manufacturers actually have a cast iron foundry located in their manufacturing plant. So Guca here actually produces cast iron parts for many other manufacturers as well, as including ABC, which we toured their factory tomorrow. So you can kind of zoom in and see the lava and the process of cast iron being made in their foundry. Here you can see the cast iron. It's pretty cool. That's how it looks when it's being poured. Kind of looks like lava. Very cool. Look at this down here. It is so hot. It's like 100 degrees outside. And then in here, they're forming the steel down there. And their factory, some parts of it run in full 24-hour shifts. Very cool, you guys. Here's a better view of inside the firebox. You can see the cast iron. And again, Guca does make all of their own cast iron components. I want to show you guys this cream color. You can see these are nice cream tiles here. The cream on the Guca looks really nice. It's kind of been hard to find cream colored stoves these days. Here we have their cast iron doors. You can really see the thickness, the quality. These are going to be the firebox side panels. Again, you can see the nice thick quality of their cast iron components. I want to show you guys these. These are their stainless steel ovens. So you can see nice quality on the stainless model. Here we have the decorative castings for Guca. I really like how they make that extra effort. You can see that here on the door. These cream panels are going to be like a porcelain enamel finish tile. No decoration on the side, just a simple steel cream panel. And this is going to be the Guca factory.